Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English Unleashed.
I'm Tom.
Today, I'm going to show you a fun and powerful way to speak English fluently. It's called the chunking method. Let's have some fun and learn together. Are you ready? So, what is chunking? Imagine your English is made of Lego blocks. Each block is a chunk, a group of words that go together naturally. Like, how's it going? Or let me think. You don't build from scratch. You just connect blocks. Let's play a repeat game. I say it, you say it. Ready? How's it going? I don't think so. Let me think. Long time no see. Say them fast and smooth like music. When you speak word by word, your brain works too hard. But when you speak in chunks, your brain relaxes. You don't think, you communicate. Speak from feeling, not from fear. Native speakers don't say, "Now I am going to the place where you are."
Nope.
They say, "I'm on my way." It's faster, cooler, and easier. That's a chunk. Let's learn a few awesome chunks. I'm on my way. Let's keep in touch. That makes sense. It's up to you. I'm not in the mood. These make you sound natural and confident. I'm on my way. Telephone receiver equals, let's keep in touch. Thinking face equals, let me think. Today you learned how to chunk like a champion. Remember, don't speak in pieces, speak in patterns. Just a few chunks a day will unlock fluent, fearless English. Believe in yourself, keep practicing, and remember, you've got this. I'm Liza, this is English Unleashed, and you are now a chunk master. See you next time, and keep speaking like a pro. So, my friend, we've come to the end of today's journey. But this isn't really the end. No, it's actually a new beginning. And you smile. You stand up. And with calm, clear, confident English, you say, "No worries, I can help you." You guide them. You answer their questions. You chat a little. You even joke a bit. And guess what? You didn't think too hard. You didn't translate in your mind. You didn't panic. You just spoke. Naturally. Fluently. Easily.
Why?
Because you didn't try to build every sentence word by word. Because you didn't get lost in grammar rules. Because you used chunks, those little powerful blocks of real English that you practice day by day. You said things like, backhand index pointing right, I'm on my way. Backhand index pointing right, let me think. Backhand index pointing right, that makes sense. Backhand index pointing right, it's up to you. Backhand index pointing right, I'm not in the mood. Backhand index pointing right, let's keep in touch. These are not just phrases. They are your tools, your shortcuts, your secret weapons. And they came out of your mouth with no fear. Because you practiced them, repeated them, lived them. That, my friend, is what chunking gives you. Not just better English, but better confidence, less stress, more connection, less thinking, more speaking. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know the right pieces. And those pieces, those chunks, will carry you through. Even on the days when you feel tired, even when you don't feel smart or strong or ready. Just remember, one small chunk a day makes a big difference. So don't stop now. Keep listening. Keep writing them down. Keep speaking them out loud. Keep using them in your life, even if no one hears you, even if it's just your mirror or your cat. Because One day, someone will hear you, and they'll say, "Wow, your English is so natural." And you'll smile because you'll know it didn't happen by magic. It happened because you worked for it day by day, chunk by chunk. So take a deep breath, smile, and say to yourself, "Speaking head, I can do this. I will do this. And I'm already doing it."
This is not the end.
It's the start of your fluent future. I'm Liza. This was English Unleashed. And you, yes, you are now a chunk master. Keep learning.
Keep speaking.
And most of all, keep believing in yourself.